Wu Mingxia gave China a fifth gold medal from as many diving events at the London Olympics as she won the women's 3m springboard final on Sunday. China's CZ was second ahead of Mexican Laura Sanchez Soto. Australians Charlene Stratton and Jill Patrick were 5th and 11th respectively. Wu equals the Olympic record for most diving medals by joining countrywoman Guo Jingjing with 6.